If you're looking to boost the warmth and efficiency of your wood stove, the right accessory makes all the difference. In this video, we'll help you find the best fan for wood stove to maximize your home's cozy comfort. Number 1. Galafire fan for wood stove. The Galafire fan for wood stove is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve the efficiency and comfort of their home heating setup. Crafted from premium anodized aluminum, this heat-powered fan is a must-have accessory for any wood stove owner. Its design isn't just about good looks, it's highly functional too. The fan comes with a magnetic thermometer, which makes it easy to monitor stovetop temperatures and prevent overheating. This thoughtful addition is especially useful for users new to stove fans, ensuring safe and optimal use. Standing at just 19 centimeters, 7.48 inches tall, this compact fan fits neatly in tight spaces, making it suitable for various stove types, including wood-burning, gas, and pellet stoves. Despite its modest size, the Galafire fan efficiently moves warm air throughout the room. Rather than letting heat rise to the ceiling, it pushes warm air outward, creating a more evenly heated and comfortable living space. The fan operates without batteries or electricity, self-starting at a low temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and reaching optimal performance around 482 degrees, 250 degrees Celsius. This means no extra running costs, making it both eco-friendly and economical. However, it's important to note that it isn't recommended for stoves with surface temperatures under 212 degrees, 100 degrees. Another notable feature is its silent operation. The fan quietly circulates warm air without any distracting noise, allowing you to enjoy the cozy atmosphere of your stove without disruption. This product combines efficiency, safety, and sleek design, making it a reliable addition to your fireplace accessories. Whether you're new to stove fans or a seasoned wood stove owner, the Galafire fan for wood stove is a practical, well-built option that enhances heating performance while adding convenience and peace of mind during the colder months. Number 2. Gonex fan for wood stove. The Gonex fan for wood stove brings a unique and versatile twist to traditional stove fans, making it a standout choice for both home and outdoor enthusiasts. While it's marketed primarily as a camping fan, its powerful performance and thoughtful features make it equally valuable as a wood stove accessory. Equipped with a 100-level variable speed control, this fan allows users to fine-tune airflow to match their specific heating needs. Its 7 advanced fan blades, paired with a high-quality DC brushless motor, delivers smooth, stable, and impressively quiet airflow. This feature is particularly appreciated in both camping tents and living rooms, where a peaceful environment is a must. A significant highlight is its 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which not only powers the fan for up to 60 hours on the lowest setting, but also functions as a power bank. It includes both a USB output and a Type-C input, ensuring your devices stay charged wherever you are. Safety is thoughtfully integrated, with overload protection that automatically shuts off the fan if it exceeds safe operational limits. This adds peace of mind whether you're using it at home or on a campsite. The Gonex fan also includes a timer function with 1, 2, 4, and 8-hour settings, ideal for overnight use. Complementing this is a 3-level night light, offering adjustable brightness for everything from reading to ambient sleep lighting. Its modern LED display and compact, lightweight design, weighing just 2.86 pounds, make it highly portable and easy to position wherever airflow is needed. While it's technically not heat-powered like classic stove fans, its versatility, rechargeable capability, and quiet operation make it an appealing alternative for wood stove owners seeking portable heating support, or for those who enjoy dual-purpose gear for both home and camping use. Number 3. Ecofan fan for wood stove. The Ecofan fan for wood stove is a trusted and reliable heat-powered fan widely respected for its efficiency, safety, and quiet performance. Designed to generate its own electricity from the heat of a wood stove, it requires no batteries or external power source, making it both eco-friendly and economical. One of its standout qualities is how quickly it activates at lower stove temperatures, making it suitable for a variety of stove types, including wood, gas, pellet, and soapstone stoves. Once the stove heats up, the fan automatically starts spinning, distributing warm air evenly throughout the room. This helps to eliminate cold spots and prevents heat from rising straight to the ceiling, offering a noticeable improvement in overall room comfort. The Ecofan also improves fuel efficiency by circulating the warm air generated by your stove, allowing you to burn less fuel while still enjoying consistent, cozy warmth. Its design is sleek and modern, blending in with both contemporary and rustic home decor. Equipped with a 2-blade system, it minimizes motor resistance and enhances safety with finger-safe blades, a thoughtful addition for homes with pets or children. The fan's durable construction ensures reliable long-term use even under the high heat conditions typical of wood stoves. Silent in operation, it won't disrupt conversations or relaxation time, allowing you to fully enjoy your fireplace ambiance. For those looking to enhance their wood stove's performance while reducing fuel consumption and adding a stylish touch to their space, the Ecofan fan for wood stove is an excellent investment. It's a high-performing, dependable, and...
Number 4. Voda fan for wood stove. The Voda fan for wood stove offers a simple, effective, and reliable solution for improving heat distribution in your home. Powered entirely by heat, this fan eliminates the need for batteries or electricity, making it an eco-friendly and cost-saving addition to your stove setup. Its compact, durable design ensures it can handle the high temperatures of stovetops while requiring minimal maintenance. One of the standout qualities of the Voda fan is its impressive efficiency in circulating warm air. As the stove heats up, the fan's blades automatically start spinning, distributing warmth evenly throughout the room and minimizing cold spots. This enhances the comfort level in your space and helps reduce overall fuel consumption, as heat is better utilized rather than lost to the ceiling or trapped near the stove. It's especially useful in smaller spaces where traditional fans may be too large or noisy. The Voda fan for wood stove is ideal for users who value straightforward functionality, durability, and quiet performance. It's a well-made, reliable stove accessory that enhances heating efficiency and creates a cozier living space during the colder seasons. Number 5. Drtulz fan for wood stove. The Drtulz fan for wood stove is a high-efficiency, eco-friendly solution designed to improve heat circulation and save on fuel costs. Featuring a 4-blade design, this fan maximizes airflow, ensuring that the heat generated by your stove is evenly distributed throughout your living room, bedroom, or cabin. One of its biggest selling points is its ability to increase heating efficiency while reducing fuel use by up to 30%, a benefit that quickly adds up over a long winter. Like other premium stove fans, the Drtulz operates without batteries or electricity, relying on heat conversion technology to power its blades. It starts spinning at temperatures as low as 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and performs optimally between 80 degrees Celsius and 250 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature range ensures reliable performance across different stove types and room sizes. The Drtulz fan's understated design fits well with any stove setup, while its dependable, silent operation ensures a consistently comfortable and cozy atmosphere. For wood stove owners seeking a sturdy, efficient, and quietly powerful fan, the Drtulz fan for wood stove stands out as a reliable, value-packed option. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.